Welcome to this Easy Computer Fixes channel, and today in our Easy Computer Fixes video, where do you download the official VLC Media Player? Of course, this is in a series to actually give you the exact and correct link to download some pieces of software. A lot of people get fooled and actually download from sites that should not be where you download it from. So I will post the link to this page in the description below the video. You need to download this VLC Media Player, one of the most popular multimedia players for Windows, Mac, Linux. It's available on Android and iOS. This is where you get it, videoland.org. Of course, on Android and iOS, you have specific apps available through the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. So just click the link in the description below the video, click the download VLC button here. This is where you'll actually have it. One little thing that just to be careful, some of these players sometimes offer bundled software with them. So if you install VLC Media Player, just make sure that you don't agree or accept other types of software that it might actually bundle within the install. So be careful at each installation window before saying yes. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.